Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video let's talk about a smart device from Lenovo which is launched in India. It's the Lenovo Smart Clock with Google Assistant. So Lenovo has announced a few smart devices, and one of them is smart clock along with the smart displays. So Lenovo Smart Clock is not just a digital clock which you've seen from other providers, but this has a lot of smart facilities and features, and this is powered by Google Assistant and Android. So it has a variety of features you can try out. So you can actually control your other smart products with this smart clock and do a lot of other jobs as well. So we'll talk about that. So before going that, let's have a look at the specifications offered here. So it has a 4-inch IPS LCD display, 480 by 800 pixels. It's touch compatible, and this is powered by the MediaTek 8167S 1.5 GHz processor, and it has 1 GB RAM and 8 GB internal storage, and this has 3-watt speaker, and it also has Wi-Fi connectivity and Bluetooth 5.0. So that's the specification. So you can see here Lenovo Smart Clock with Google Assistant, and this is priced 599, that's 6K pricing. So that's a smart clock. So you can see here how it looks. So this is a cloth kind of finish. It's a soft cloth finish, and this is the box package. So let's open the box package here. So opening up, you can see the smart clock here. So let's just take this out. So that's a smart clock, and you also get a small box here. So let's just take this out. This should be the adapter and cable. So there you go. So this is the standard adapter for the Lenovo Smart Clock. So we'll just keep this aside and let's see the smart clock. So there you go, that's the Lenovo Smart Clock with the 4-inch display, and we have the mic provisions here, and on the top you can see that there's a plus and minus icon. So this is to increase or decrease the volume. We have the Lenovo branding here. So it's made of cloth finishing and looks really good, and we have the power cable here, then turn off or turn on the mic, and USB connection is also included, and you get these rubber frames here to get a grip when you're placing it. So this is how you place it. So it looks pretty good in terms of the fit and finish. Now let's just connect this to power, because this does not have a battery inbuilt, so you need to connect this to power to enable it. So let's just try that. So now we are going to the setup of the Lenovo Smart Clock. So once you turn on, you need to download and install Google Home app on your smartphone, and once you're done, you can see that you can add a new device on Google Home, and this device will be detected there. So that's how you can set up. So once the device is detected, you just need to follow some things like where your device is kept. You need to enter the Wi-Fi details, and all those things can be done from the app. And you can see that now it's set as bedroom clock, and now it's updating actually all the details. Now let's finish all these things, and then we'll come back to how to use this. So the setup is pretty simple. You need to just download the Google Home app and get started by adding a new device, and it's a new device. So once the new device search is available, you can actually see the Lenovo Smart Clock visible in the app. So that's a very simple process to set up. So let's just complete this setup process, and then we'll come back and we'll show you how to use this product. So now we can see that the setup is complete, and now we can see that this is the clock. So just press and hold to customize the clock. So a few options are included here. So you can see that these are some options where you can customize the clock. So there's some basic customizations included. So you can connect from Google Photos as well, or featured photos. So some themes are included. So you can select your theme whichever you want. You can just press that, and the clock will be set. Now this is the alarms. So you can set an alarm. There is settings also, the alarm timing, the snooze length, and the default tone for the alarm. You can just select here. Okay Google, what is the weather forecast for today?
In Ernakulam today, it will be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 32 and a low of 24. Right now, it's 31 and partly cloudy.
Okay Google, when is India playing their next cricket match?
India's next match is tomorrow at 7 p.m. where they will play the West Indies.
Okay Google, set an alarm for me.
Okay, for when?
6:30 in the evening.
No problem. Your alarm's set for 6:30 p.m.
Okay Google, Play some music.
Alright, music on Ghana. Here you go.
So you can actually play music as well. So we are not really playing the music because that will lead to some copyright issues. So that's how things work. So you can do a lot of things here. You can ask questions and you can get answers as well. Typical things you can ask like what time is it, or what is the weather like. Those are the typical things. You can also connect other smart devices like smart bulbs to Google Home and control all those things from this assistant. So there are lots of things you can do. So we are not showing all those things because we don't have a lot of connected devices right now here, but then you can do that with this smart clock. So this is more of like a Google Assistant with a clock embedded, and you can set up your alarm as well, and you can listen to a lot of things from this smart clock. So we'll just demo it once again. Okay Google, good night.
What time should I set the alarm for?
6 o'clock in the morning.
Got it. Your alarm's set for tomorrow at 6 a.m. Good night, Nirmal.
So that was the unboxing and hands-on with the Lenovo Smart Clock. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Have a great day.